Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Henoch-Schönlein purpura. Henoch-Schönlein purpura, also known as IgA vasculitis. It is a disorder that causes the small blood vessels in your skin, joints, intestine, and kidneys to become inflamed and bleed. The most striking feature of this form of vasculitis is a purplish rash, typically on the lower legs and buttocks. Henoch-Schönlein purpura can also cause abdominal pain and aching joints. Rarely, serious kidney damage can occur. Symptoms. The four main characteristics of Henoch-Schönlein purpura can include: the first one is rash or purpura. Reddish purple spots that look like bruises develop on the buttocks, legs, and feet. The second one, swollen, sore joints or arthritis. People with Henoch-Schönlein purpura often have pain and swelling around the joints, mainly in the knees and ankles. Joint pain sometimes preceded the classical rash by 1 or 2 weeks. Digestive tract symptoms like belly pain, nausea, vomiting, and bloody stools. Kidney involvement. In most cases, this shows up as protein or blood in the urine, which you may not even know is there unless you have a urine test done. Usually, this goes away once the illness passes, but some people develop persistent kidney diseases. Causes. It is not clear why this initial inflammation develops. It may be the result of the immune system responding inappropriately to certain triggers. After an upper respiratory infection such as cold, other triggers include chickenpox, strep throat, measles, hepatitis, certain medications, food, insect bites, and exposure to cold weather. Risk factors. Factors that increase the risk of developing Henoch-Schönlein purpura include: the first one is age. The disease affects primarily children and young adults, with the majority of cases occurring in children between the age of 2 and 6. The second one is sex. Henoch-Schönlein purpura is slightly more common in males than in females. And the next one is race. White and Asian children are more likely to develop Henoch-Schönlein purpura than are black children. What tests do healthcare professionals to use, diagnose, or monitor IgA vasculitis? Skin biopsy, kidney biopsy, blood and urine test, ultrasound. How do healthcare professionals treat IgA vasculitis? There is no specific treatment for IgA vasculitis. Medications like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, corticosteroid to ease joint pain and swelling, angiotensin converting enzyme or ACE inhibitors, and angiotensin receptor blocker or ARB. Treatments for different symptoms. First one is rash. Your rash will usually go away without any specific treatment. In some people, the rash returns, but even the returning rash will go away without medicine. GI tract problems. To ease abdominal pain, your healthcare professional may prescribe a corticosteroid. In rare cases when intussusception occurs, healthcare professional can correct the problem with a lower GI series, also called a barium enema. Scrotum or testicles. If you are experiencing pain in the scrotum or testicles, your healthcare professional will recommend pain relief measures, including bed rest, applying ice or cool pack, and placing a cushion under the scrotum to provide support. Complications. For most people, symptoms improve within a month, leaving no lasting problem, but recurrence are fairly common. Complications associated with Henoch-Schönlein purpura include kidney damage and bowel obstruction. Thank you all. Have a nice day.